Hello, today's our topic is overcome resistance to antibiotic in treating patient with surgical infection. So antibiotic resistance happens when germ like bacteria and fungi develops the ability to defeat the drug designed to kill them. That means that the germ are not killed and continue to grow. Infections caused by antibiotic resistant germs are difficult and sometimes impossible to treat. Inappropriate use of antibiotic can lead to antibiotic resistance. Antibiotic no longer kill or work on the bacteria causing infection. Inappropriate use include missing dose of treatment, not finishing a course of treatment, use antibiotic when it not indicated. This may lead to fewer treatment option and more severe infection and that cannot be treated with available antibiotic. How does antibiotic resistance occur? To prevent surgical site infection should always include attention to IPC, include correct and hand hygiene practice, meticulous surgical techniques and minimization of tissue trauma, instrument sterilization process, pre-operative optimization of a patient risk. The overuse of antibiotic has contributed to emergence and dissemination of antimicrobial resistant nosocomial and community pathogen. The appropriate use of oral antibiotic, particularly those with a good biochemical. The principle for appropriate antibiotic therapy in surgery, the source of infection should always be identified and controlled as soon as possible. Antibiotic therapy should be initiated after treatable surgical infection has been recognized. The specimen for the microbial evolution from the site of infection. The blood culture should be performed before the administration of antibiotic in critical ill patient. Antibiotic dose should be optimized to ensure that PKD target are achieved. The appropriate and need for antimicrobial treatment should be reassigned daily. Once source control established, short course of antibiotic therapy are effective as longer course regardless of sign of inflammation. Failure of antibiotic therapy in a patient have continued advance of active infection may require a re-operation for a second source control intervention. These are the strain of bacteria that has developed resistance to many different type of antibiotic. Methicillin resistant Staphylococcus aureus, Clostridium, the bacteria that cause multiple drug resistant tuberculosis. This type of infection can be serious and challenging to treat. Thank you.